And then there was one more thing that Lyft, it showed up yesterday out of the blue. You know how Lyft does it? They go, look what you have.
This is what I want to say. Right here, this is what I want to say. It's called "Don't Believe Their Lies."
Yeah, look at this thing. This showed up yesterday.
So for those who are listening, not being able to see, but we'll explain exactly what this is. But for people watching, look at what's going on. Look at and see what this is.
I got this in my app yesterday. It goes, choose ride types. I'm going like, what do you mean? I can only do Uber, Lyft Standard, and Lyft Shared, which is Uber Pool, and I don't have a choice. At least on Uber, you had a choice to turn off. And it's called Uber X Shared now instead of Uber Pool. At least you had a choice, preference. You can turn those off. But Lyft would force you down your throat. So they must have heard from some regulatory agency or some shit that they go, or maybe, maybe they heard us. I don't know. So it goes, choose your ride types. I'm going like, why? My car qualifies for some higher platform now? I go, I don't know. So that's my car. That's I had to block out my license plate for you psychos out there who's going to do that. So
we already know where you live.
Yeah, they all know where I live. Yeah. So anyway, so it says. So what I did was it gave me two choices. First one with the big circle, it says all ride types, Lyft and Shared. I go, okay. I clicked that one on the right side, right screenshot. I clicked that one. Look what happened to that little meter there, all green, all the way up to the top. You see that?
Yeah, potential earnings highest.
Like you're gonna swim in cash to shared trips. And then on the left, I go, well, fuck. I go, let me see what's going to happen if I click I don't want to do shared trips anymore, right? Oh my God, look what happened to the meter. It turned some orange red, and it went down to 2 bars. Like here, Serge, on the right side, you have highest reception on your cell phone, and here you have no reception on your cell phone.
Here you're like coming in all choppy. It's like it's 320p instead of 4K.
Yeah, bro. Look at this, bro. Even here they play games, bro.
Yeah, so don't believe the lies.
What the hell's going on?
Look, let's be real. In actuality, for the most part, not everyone is going to do shared rides. They don't want to. We've seen that before.
Hey, Steve.
They're making it seem like you need to do it. And they're probably doing it for a couple of reasons. One, to make you available for shared rides.
Mental masturbation.
What?
Mental masturbation, bro. That's what it is.
Oh, it's bullshit.
Ooh, we hired this expensive shrink, and he said if we do this and put a green bars and orange bars, people are going to go to the green bars. I'm like, no, you suck it. I'm just going to turn it off. I actually wanted to go brown. Brown and no bars.
I want to be on full-on red. Potential earnings next to none. That's what I want to see.
I'm telling you, bro. But you know what? Okay, look. Seriously. If they didn't do this shit, right? The color shit and the bars and whatever, I wouldn't talk shit about this at all. Actually, I would give him credit. I go, you know what? Good for you, Lyft. Now you're giving us a choice. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now they put this shit there. They take like half the fun out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Again, Lyft.
Because again, it's the gamification of trying to get you to accept shared rides and to be available for shared rides. That's the whole point. But in reality, how many shared rides are actually going to come in? All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.